Stop wasting money on expensive garden supplies. Imagine transforming your garden with items you can grab for just $1 or $2. Today we're uncovering $10 tree finds that actually work. And some aren't even from the garden aisle. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, where creativity meets budget-friendly solutions. Every product we show you today is real, tested and currently available at Dollar Tree. From natural pest control to clever organization hacks, these items will save you time, money, and frustration. If you love smart gardening on a budget, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's get started. Find number 1: Cleaning Vinegar. Dollar Tree's LA's totally awesome Cleaning Vinegar might be sitting in the cleaning aisle, but it's a powerhouse for your garden. With 6% acidic acid, much stronger than your typical kitchen vinegar, it works as a natural herbicide, perfect for eliminating weeds growing between pavers, driveways, or along fence lines. Unlike chemical herbicides, it's safe around kids and pets, making it a smart, eco-friendly alternative to Roundup. To boost its effectiveness, simply mix it with a little dish soap, which helps the vinegar stick to stubborn weeds and accelerates the burning process. In action, it's simple to use. Spray the vinegar directly on the leaves of the weeds on a sunny day, and within 48 hours, you'll see noticeable results. For tougher patches, the vinegar and soap mixture works like a charm. Be mindful though, this solution kills anything it touches, so only apply where you want complete growth elimination. Whether you're tackling a small patio or a larger walkway, this $1.25 item can replace expensive weed killers while giving you complete control over your garden's health. Find number 2: Hydrogen Peroxide. A simple 32-ounce bottle of hydrogen peroxide from Dollar Tree's cleaning aisle can do wonders for your garden. When diluted and applied correctly, it oxygenates the soil, helping roots breathe and promoting stronger, healthier plants. It also serves as a natural treatment for common issues like root rot and fungus gnats, which can wreak havoc on seedlings and potted plants. Beyond plant health, hydrogen peroxide doubles as a disinfectant for pots, tools, and seed trays, keeping your gardening setup clean and reducing the risk of spreading diseases. Using it is straightforward. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 4 parts water and water-affected plants to control fungus gnats, or use it as a soil drench for seedlings to prevent damping off disease. You can even spray diluted peroxide on cutting tools and reused pots before repotting to kill lingering pathogens. Affordable at just $1.25, this versatile item strengthens plants, keeps pests in check, and makes maintaining a healthy garden both simple and cost-effective. Find number 3: Zip Ties. Zip ties aren't just for organizing cables. They're a gardener's secret weapon. A pack of 100+ ties from Dollar Tree can secure plants to trellises, repair broken tomato cages, attach shade cloths, and even connect multiple garden structures. The black UV-resistant versions hold up under sun exposure, making them perfect for outdoor use. Compared to garden-specific plant ties that can cost $8, $12, these $1.25 packs are a bargain, offering flexibility and durability without breaking the budget. In practical use, zip ties are incredibly versatile. You can gently tie tomato stems to stakes without damaging the plant, quickly repair bent cages, or craft a custom trellis from wire fencing. They're also great for attaching bird netting over raised beds or hanging lightweight garden tools. For added convenience, keep a pair of needle nose pliers handy to trim excess tie ends neatly. With such a low cost and so many applications, zip ties are an essential must-have for any smart gardener. Find number 4: Adhesive Hooks. Dollar Tree's adhesive hooks are a game-changer for organizing your garden space without drilling a single hole. These simple sticky hooks, often sold in 12 packs, can transform a messy shed, garage wall, or even a fence into a tidy, efficient storage area. They hold hand tools, gloves, watering cans, and lightweight equipment, keeping everything within easy reach while freeing up valuable bench and floor space. Unlike traditional hooks that require screws or nails, these adhesive hooks stick securely to clean, smooth surfaces, and can be repositioned as needed, making them perfect for seasonal adjustments or changing layouts. In practice, their uses are nearly limitless. Hang trowels inside a shed door for instant accessibility. Mount pruning shears on a fence for quick harvest or maintenance. Or create a custom tool board on a garage wall. Even bulky items like watering cans or small buckets can be stored safely without damaging walls or cluttering benches. For the best hold, clean the surface first with rubbing alcohol. Press the hooks firmly in place, and let them set before adding weight. Affordable, reusable and versatile, these hooks turn any gardening area into a neat professional-looking workspace, all for just $1.25. Find number 5, Microfiber Cloths. Microfiber cloths might seem like a simple cleaning tool, but in the garden they're incredibly versatile. Dollar Tree packs offer soft, durable cloths that can be used to gently wipe dust off houseplant leaves, improving photosynthesis and overall plant health. They're also perfect for cleaning and drying tools after use, preventing rust and extending the life of your pruning shears, trowels and other metal equipment. Beyond cleaning, microfiber cloths can help dry freshly harvested vegetables, wrap delicate seedlings for frost protection, or even polish decorative plant pots for a polished look. Using them is easy and practical. Dusty fiddle leaf figs, orchids, or philodendrons can be wiped clean to restore their natural shine, while wet tools can be quickly dried to avoid corrosion. They're soft enough not to damage leaves yet sturdy enough to handle tough cleaning tasks around the garden. For gardeners who want both efficiency and plant care in one simple tool, microfiber cloths are a must-have. At just $1.25 per pack, they provide years of reusable value, combining practicality with gentle plant care that chemical sprays or rough cloths simply can't match. Find number 6, Decorative Rope. Dollar Tree's Decorative Rope, often found in the craft section, is a surprisingly useful garden tool. Each pack usually contains around 9.5 feet of soft, flexible rope that's perfect for tying plants without cutting into stems or branches. Beyond basic support, it can be used to create simple macrame plant hangers, guide climbing plants along trellises, or even add a decorative edge to raised beds. Unlike standard garden twine, this rope blends practicality with aesthetics, giving your garden a polished, intentional look while still performing essential plant support functions. In application, the rope is as creative as you are. Tie tomato plants in a figure-8 pattern to gently secure stems to stakes, ensuring healthy growth without damage. Use it to craft simple hanging planters that showcase trailing herbs or flowers, or wrap it along raised bed edges to add a rustic finished touch. Climbing plants like peas or beans can be guided naturally along the rope, keeping your garden neat and organized. At just $1.25, Decorative Rope provides both functional support and visual appeal, turning everyday gardening tasks into an opportunity for style and creativity. Find number 7, Magnetic Hooks. Magnetic hooks from Dollar Tree are a simple but genius way to keep your garden tools and accessories organized, especially if you have metal sheds, raised bed frames, or steel carts. These hooks attach instantly to any magnetic surface without drilling or permanent hardware, and they can be moved or adjusted as your needs change. Perfect for hanging gloves, small tools, baskets, or even lightweight watering cans. They make it easy to keep frequently used items within reach while freeing up space on benches and shelves. Their portability and ease of use make them ideal for gardeners who like to rearrange their setup seasonally or for different projects. In practice, magnetic hooks are incredibly versatile. Hang garden gloves on a metal shed wall for instant accessibility, attach them to a steel raised bed frame to keep hand tools organized, or create a mobile tool station on a metal cart that can move around your garden. Even harvest baskets can be hung conveniently, making collection and storage seamless. For added flexibility, some magnetic hooks come with clips, allowing you to hold lightweight items like seed packets or plant tags. At just $1.25, these hooks are a low-cost, high-impact solution that turns any magnetic surface into practical storage, making your gardening routine more efficient and clutter-free. Find number 8, Landscaping Anchor Stakes. Dollar Tree's metal U-shaped landscaping anchor stakes are small but incredibly versatile tools for the garden. Originally designed to hold down landscape fabric, These stakes can secure soaker hoses, drip irrigation lines, row covers, or even chicken wire to protect seedlings from pests. Their sturdy metal construction makes them stronger and more reliable than homemade wire or wooden stakes, and they're rust-resistant, allowing for repeated use season after season. For gardeners looking to keep everything in place without spending a fortune, these $1.25 stakes offer both durability and flexibility. In practical use, anchor stakes are simple but essential. Pin down lightweight irrigation lines to prevent them from shifting, secure frost cloths over delicate plants during cold snaps, or anchor protective mesh to keep out birds and rabbits. They also work perfectly for holding down raised bed fabric or garden netting, ensuring plants stay protected and tidy. The stakes are easy to install. Simply push into the soil where needed, and can be removed and reused as your garden layout changes. Affordable, reusable, and multi-purpose, these landscaping anchors are an underappreciated Dollar Tree find that delivers professional-level results for just a fraction of the cost of garden center alternatives. Find number 9. Baking soda. Baking soda isn't just for the kitchen. It's a powerful natural tool for managing fungal diseases in your garden. Dollar Tree's regular baking soda can help prevent and treat issues like powdery mildew on leaves, black spot on roses, and early blight on tomatoes. Safe for organic gardening, it offers a chemical-free alternative to commercial fungicides while being gentle enough to use around kids and pets. Combined with simple household ingredients, it creates an effective spray that protects plants, reduces infection, and keeps your garden healthy without harmful chemicals. To use, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 gallon of water, then spray the solution on affected leaves. Apply weekly as a preventative or every 3 days for active infections, making sure to cover both tops and undersides of leaves. Always test on a small section first, as some sensitive plants may react. In action, the results are impressive. Powdery mildew fades, spots diminish, and overall plant health improves. At just $1.25, baking soda is an inexpensive, safe, and highly effective way to keep your garden thriving while avoiding costly chemical treatments. Find number 10. Dish soap. A simple bottle of mild dish soap from Dollar Tree can become one of your garden's most effective natural pest control tools. It works by breaking down the protective coating of soft-bodied insects, like aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, and mealybugs, effectively knocking them off your plants without harmful chemicals. Unlike many commercial pesticides, dish soap is safe for organic gardening, inexpensive, and gentle enough not to harm beneficial insects once dried. Combined with water, and optionally a bit of vegetable oil for extra coverage, it creates a spray that protects your plants while keeping your garden eco-friendly. To use, mix 1-2 tablespoons of mild dish soap with 1 quart of water in a spray bottle, adding 1 cup of vegetable oil if desired for a homemade horticultural oil effect. Spray affected plants thoroughly, covering the undersides of leaves where pests like to hide. For best results, apply in the early morning or evening to avoid sunburn and reapply after rain if necessary. Always test on a single leaf first to ensure plant sensitivity. Beyond pest control, the solution can also be used to clean pots, trays, and tools, making it a versatile multi-purpose item that every gardener should have on hand. All for just $1.25. And there you have it. 10 Dollar Tree garden finds that are natural, effective, and surprisingly versatile. From vinegar that tackles stubborn weeds, to baking soda and dish soap that protect your plants from disease and pests, each item proves that gardening doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Combined, these tools and hacks give you a complete budget-friendly system for maintaining a healthy, thriving garden. All for under $15. Which cleaning aisle hack surprised you the most? Do you have a favorite Dollar Tree garden trick to share? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next video, where we'll test these products over 30 days to see how well they really work. And if you found these hacks helpful, share this video with friends who love gardening on a budget.